about moving to Phoenix, Arizona? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you to northern Phoenix and a community called Stetson Valley. This community is located west of the I-17 and also east of the 303 freeway, which are our two main arteries up here in northern Phoenix. And this community is also nestled at the base of the Deem Hills and also the Ludden Mountains. So it's a really beautiful community here. In today's video, I'm going to take you through 3 different homes in 3 different price points so that you can see what might fit your budget. And if today's the first day that you came to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new happening here in Arizona. Let's get started. Stetson Valley is a planned community with approximately 2,500 homes, and they are spread out over 2,100 acres. Your amenities in this master plan community primarily consist of parks. They have like 25 tot lots in here, 3 splash pads, and they have tons of hiking and biking trails, which I'll show you later. So let's head over to our first home. There are 5 homes for sale in Stetson Valley right now, ranging in price from $580,000 all the way up to $1 million. And this home right here is our home number 1. This home is $580,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,136 square feet. It was built in 2013. It's on a 6,559 lot, 2-car garage, and it has great mountain views here because this home backs up to that Deem Hills rec area. This home has gas appliances and the floors were updated this year with also new paint, and the cabinets were refreshed and the AC has just been serviced. Here we are at the Deem Hills Recreation Center. This is a park that was established in 2008. It's got tennis courts, basketball courts, volleyball, there's play equipment, soccer fields, also 2 dog parks. So I'm going to take you around and show you all of it, what it has to offer. These are all those tennis courts. Look at these gorgeous mountains. There's all sorts of hiking trails. There's bathrooms here. So this is kind of a parking area. It's all run by the city of Phoenix. So kind of a staging area. You've got a big parking lot. Over there are your dog parks. Basketball courts and the sand volleyball courts. Walking up to the soccer fields here. Really pretty green next to kind of this basalt volcanic rock that these Sonoran Desert is kind of known for, these rock formations on these Deem Hills here. There's a very popular 5.7 mile circumference trail that goes around the entire recreation center. I mean, just some amazing views, as you can imagine. Let's head over to home number 2. Not a lot of dogs out on the dog park right now because it's probably 110 degrees. But those are good-sized dog parks, one for small dogs and one for large dogs. Here we are at home number 2. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus a den and a formal dining room. And when we start here, let's look at this gorgeous security gate. I love it. All right, let's head inside. Okay, this home was built in 2006. You walk straight into this as your view into the backyard. You have a beautiful pool with a spa that overfills into the pool. And then we've got this office or den here right off the front door. And then we go right into our primary bedroom. There's that formal dining room. Into this big kitchen, stainless steel appliances, double oven, gas appliances. Again, you look out onto this beautiful backyard with the pool that I'll take you out to later. You've got a fireplace. We're on a 1/4 of an acre lot here. It's also on a corner lot, and it sits right across from some beautiful mountains. Laundry with those overhead cabinets. They must have had a huge dog. The 3-car garage. Necessarily have to be right here under the overhead. That could be moved. Beautiful pool. I like to call this a shamu shelf. Has a place for you to put your umbrella, a couple chairs. You've got your spa, nice little seating area over here. Again, this is a corner lot, so there's no one next to you. There's also citrus trees. You've got these beautiful views of the mountains from that sitting area. You're 2.6 miles from all of your shopping here. The main road that Stetson Valley sits on is Happy Valley, and you've got your Fry's and all of your grocery, auto, fitness, restaurants, banks. I think this is a peach tree. Everything is right off of that Happy Valley Road, really close by. So this home is great for entertaining. Look at this great covered patio here. Lots of shade. So in addition to being 2.6 miles away from all that shopping, you are also only going to have to go down 4 miles to the I-17 and then 8 miles to the 303 freeway. So you're really conveniently situated between these two freeways. And this home is on that corner lot. You've got those mountain views. It's super pretty. Let's head over to home number 3. Here we are at home number 3. First of all, I love this tree. Look at how huge it is. This home is almost 5,000 square feet. It is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It has a den and a great room, a loft. It was built in 2007 and it's on a large 1/4 acre lot. It has a 3-car garage, a fireplace, electric appliances, granite counters. Again, that loft is upstairs. It has mountain views from the backyard. It overlooks a greenbelt, stainless steel appliances, has a double oven, gorgeous mountain views, mature landscaping and fruit trees. It has 2 patio areas, one off of the garage and the backyard, has a nice covered patio as well that overlooks the greenbelt. Home number 3 sits less than a mile away from this elementary school. It's called Inspiration Mountain School. It's a brand new K-6 elementary school. It opened as a K-6, but it will be expanding to a K-8 by 2024-25 school year. It belongs in the Deer Valley Unified School District. The other elementary school is Stetson Hills Elementary, also a K-8 school. That's just over 3 miles away. And then there's Sandra Day O'Connor High School, and that's 4 miles away. And niche.com shows both of these schools, or all of these schools in this district, as A-rated schools. So this community has all the natural beauty of the Arizona desert, but it also is really close to all of those city conveniences. The major roads to the south of Stetson Valley are Happy Valley Road, and then the north border is a big canal and then open desert from there. And then on each side of the community you have I-17 and the 303, so that's what you're flanked by. And you have Deem Hills and Leaden Mountain, which are all around you. So it's just in this little valley. It's gorgeous. The homes all have these mountain views. It's really pretty here. There is also Hurricane Harbor, which is a Six Flags water park. It's less than 4 miles away. Also, golf is really close. You also have 30 minutes and you're close to an Honor Health, which is a medical center here in Phoenix. Phoenix Sky Harbor is about a 30-minute drive from here. You are also 2 hours from Flagstaff, Prescott, and Sedona. If you like sports, you're super close to State Farm Stadium in Glendale, which is our sports and entertainment district. You have shopping and outlets there, restaurants. So this is a beautiful community with beautiful views, yet it's close to the city. Thanks for joining me today out here in Stetson Valley. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I am an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls from people just like you that are thinking about making the move here to Arizona. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please feel free to reach out. You can send me a text, send me an email, or shoot me a phone call, and I'd be more than happy to help. Also, if this is your first time to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new happening here in Arizona. And if this community didn't check all of those boxes, please leave me a comment below and let me know if there's another community that you would like for me to cover, or if you have any questions about this community, I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time.